Hey, hello guys. Welcome to the another video. Now in this video I'm going to solve with you a very interesting problem which was asked in Oracle, and in this website it is termed as a hard question. But let's see how much hard actually it is. So I will just quickly come to my Excel and I will just let's discuss the problem. So we have one table which is of employee. As soon as you see, you might something might come into your mind if you're asking some highest salary in each department. Maybe you might ask employee whose salary is greater than manager's salary, and usually you self join in this type of questions. But in the question that was asked in Oracle, there is slightly twist. Okay, first let's go through what are the columns in this table. Okay, ID is there, first name, last name, age, gender, employee title, department, salary, and manager's ID. So let's say for this employee, if we want to reach out to the manager, who is the manager of Jack. So we will pick manager's ID from here, which is one, and we will create another instance of the same table, and we will search for ID in that table. ID should be one. So here we see ID is one. Now Joe's manager is has the ID one, and if we try to search, his name is Alan, and see his employee title is manager. Okay, so now I have just given you hints how you will join this self story. Okay, so let's see what the question says. So we have a task over here. We need in the output we need department ID, salary, manager's ID, average ID for each department. So you might think, okay, it's quite simple. We'll just pick department ID, salary. Now for manager's ID, we will need to do self join. We will need to create two instances of employee and manager, and I just uh, explained you how you will reach to the manager's salary. Okay. Now here is the twist. You need to find average salary of each department. Let's say for sales department, what is the average salary? But you do not need to include manager over here. So you can see last is Katie is the manager, and we need to exclude this. Okay. And there is one more thing you need to do ordering based on employee salary, highest to lowest, and on the department based on each department. So this is the only twist over here, and I don't think it's that difficult. Okay, so let's go through once what is the output. Output looks like this, and I will take you to the step by step. There is not much. So what we will do, we will first remove the manager, exclude manager, filter out all the managers, and after filtering out, we will count the average of each department. Okay, so we will create a CTE in SQL, and we will filter out all the managers. See, create CTE excluding managers. Will take care over here of department and salary in the descending order, and we will consider this CTE as employees instances. Now, one thing is left over here. We need to also get the manager's salary. How you will get this? I just explained you before. If we need in this row, if we need this is excluded in the first step. Okay, so we just need one column for the manager set, and how you will going to be reach, how you will be reached to that. So we'll pick manager's ID from employees instance and put it in uh, manager's instance. We will put it as an ID. Okay, so let's just see over here, and we will join the other instance based on employees instance manager ID will be equals to manager's instance ID. Okay, so this is also a point to take a note of. Okay, now I will quickly take you to the Databricks workspace and let's write the code. Okay, yeah. So you have yeah, I have done in the needful. I have taken care of whatever basically prepared the data set. Okay, now we just need to come here and write the code. So I just follow the sequence usually. So here the table name would be df. Okay, just use df in place of employee. So from df, okay, first we will eliminate the manager. Okay, where employee title, I believe the name of the column is. Yeah, so I'll just quickly copy over here, copy from here, paste it over here. Manager title not equal to manager. Okay, elimination is done. Now I will select the required column which we need. What we need: department, comma ID, comma salary. This is what I remember. Let's see what we need. ID is salary. Now average salary. Okay. Now for average salary, what we will do? Average of salary for each department. Okay. We'll use overclause partition by on department as average salary. We will also round it off by 2. So for that, I'm going to use just a round function, comma 2. Okay, that's it. What else we need? Manager's ID. So this will help. This we are creating an employee instance. Okay, this manager's ID will help us to join the manager's instance table. I hope you are getting this. So manager's ID. Okay, let's see what the output is. Yep, we are getting the correct output. Now I will quickly put this into a city with city as, and I will also take care of one thing over here. I will do the ordering too. Order by department, comma salary DSC. Star from city. Okay, let's see. Yeah, employee instance is created successfully. Now let's focus on manager's instance, and I will give it E, which stands for employee instance. From CTEE, I will do left, join. Remember the base table was DF in over here. So DF, that is now, this is a manager's instance. So I will give it as M on what we need, how we will reach out to the manager's salary. From employee's instance, we will pick manager's ID. Okay, manager's ID. Now we'll put that manager's ID into a manager's instance ID. Okay, manager's instance dot ID. Yep, that's it. Now we'll quickly get all the columns that we need. I will just copy these things from here itself. Also an average salary. The only thing that is missing from here is manager's salary. So manager's instance dot salary. Yep. I hope this will work. Yeah, let's see. Okay, selecting. Okay, no, this won't work because we need to give the areas for each of them. Dot department, employee dot ID, employee dot salary, employee dot average salary. Let's see. That should work. Yep, this is working perfectly fine. Guys, if you liked it and you learned something new, you know what to do. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.